Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you how to apply for a sponsor code from CashChat. Now, this is what you're going to do. You are going to type this domain name, CashChat.se. You see, you type it in the browser. I'm showing you the domain name just. So you go in your browser and you type in cashchat.se or www.cashchat.se. And then you're going to be taken to a website which looks like this. Okay, and this website, yeah, this website. You can see Cash Chat Bank. So you're going to start by creating a wallet. So when you click here on create wallet, we are going to give you a sign up form. So this is the sign up form, and just go and fill in your details, accurate details. Don't try to provide fake information because you'll be disqualified completely. Okay, they don't want people who are false. If you have those intents of being a liar, false, you don't provide fake information, you'll be fired immediately. So put your first name, put your last name, put your email, change your country and select your country, whatever your country may be. Maybe your country is Uganda, just put Uganda here and come here and put your phone number, but you must start with your country code, the country code of that phone number. Okay, so you write it and you complete the entire number. Then next, you are going to create a password using 6 numbers, any 6 numbers. So put the 6 numbers here and then repeat the same 6 numbers here, just the same. And then after, click here to accept the terms and conditions and then sign up. Okay, so after you've signed up, next you are going to go back and click on the login button. This is the login button. So you click on the login button and you enter the email that you just used. Just enter that email here and then log into your account. Okay, so this is how your account is going to look like. Now, the third button here for you is going to indicate a subscription. So when you click on that button, it's going to take you to a page which looks like this. Now on this page, they say type start to continue. So you type start here at the bottom and you click send. Then you type 1 and you click send. Then you type 2 and you click send. And then here you type 1 if you're from Uganda, or if you're from Kenya, you type 2 and you click send. Now here you're going to type 1, select MTN mobile. Then you click send and you enter your MTN number, starting with the country code, but don't put a plus sign. Okay? Just start with the country code. And when you click send, you're going to receive a prompt on your MTN mobile number accepting you to approve the subscription. When you approve the subscription, your account is going to be activated. And inside your account, you are going to find a link, a referral link. So you can use that referral link when recommending people, and each person that you recommend, when they complete this step, which I just showed you here, you're going to earn 50,000 EUGX in your account. Okay, so you can withdraw your earning immediately. That's why you can see lifetime. This is how much I've withdrawn so far, money taken out. But some of the money I didn't take it out. I used some of it to go and learn the cash chat AI, and the some of it I used it, to do various stuff like paying for adverts, sending gifts to some people via wallet to wallet. But this is the one that I will withdraw. Okay, so if you want to make money on this platform, that's how you do it. We together. Yeah, goodbye.